The Garden Treasures 10-foot pergola was sold at Lowe's. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your pergola, please refer to the manufacturer model number S-J-110. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the pergola is 10 by 10 square. A few key identifiers for this pergola are square frame posts with a pedestal base, flat roof, curved bar at each corner post, canopy drapes over the pergola frame. Original canopy is a mesh type material. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Garden Treasures 10-foot pergola. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric, from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have Dura pocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.